Dangote Industries is facing a major backlash after the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NNPC) denied the company's claim about the pricing of premium motor spirit or PMS. This controversy has sparked a lot of debate, and in this video we are going to take a closer look at what is happening. One of the key issues at stake is the pricing of fuel in Nigeria. Dangote Industries had made some claims about the prices, which the NNPC have now disputed. This has led to a lot of uncertainty in the market, and consumers are starting to get worried. The question on everyone's mind is, what's really going on? Is Dangote Industries telling the truth, or is the NNPC correct in its denial? The fuel market is a critical sector in Nigeria, and any controversy surrounding it has far-reaching implications. If Dangote Industries is correct, it could mean that the prices of fuel are being artificially inflated, which would be a huge problem for consumers. On the other hand, if the NNPC is correct, it could mean that Dangote Industries is trying to manipulate the market for its own gain. The impact of this controversy goes beyond just the fuel market. It also has implications for the wider Nigerian economy. If the prices of fuel are being artificially inflated, it could lead to higher transportation costs, which would increase the prices of goods and services. This would be a huge problem for consumers, especially those who are already struggling to make ends meet. As the controversy continues to unfold, it's becoming clear that there are some broader implications for the Nigerian economy. The fuel market is a critical sector, and any instability in it could have far-reaching consequences. It is clear that something needs to be done to resolve this controversy and ensure that the prices of fuel are fair and transparent. One of the most significant moments in this controversy came when the NNPC released a statement denying Dangote Industries' claim. This was a major turning point, as it showed that the NNPC was not going to back down. The statement was widely reported in the media, and it sparked a lot of debate and discussion. Many people were shocked by the NNPC's denial, and it raised even more questions about what's really going on. The reaction from the public has been intense, with many people taking to social media to express their opinions. Some people are supporting Dangote Industries, while others are backing the NNPC. The controversy has also sparked a lot of spectrum about the underlying motives of two parties involved. Is Dangote Industries trying to manipulate the market, or is the NNPC trying to cover up something? As the situation continues to unfold, it's becoming clear that there are some major implications for both Dangote Industries and the NNPC. If Dangote Industries is found to be correct, it could lead to a major scandal for the NNPC. On the other hand, if the NNPC is correct, it could lead to a major blow to the Dangote Industries' reputation. So what's next in this controversy? Will Dangote Industries be able to prove its claim, or will the NNPC emerge victorious? One thing is certain, the outcome of this controversy will have a major implication for the fuel market and the Nigerian economy as a whole. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on the fuel industry. What do you think about this controversy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.